What's up, guys? Here we are. Maybe I may turn this side. So actually I am at the village and I'll showing you how we harvest here, how we dig here, the preparation of land. A lot of things are being done here at the village. So we are very much happy, pleased. We are not mingling here at the village just lazy. We are not lazy, but we are working hard here at the village. That's why you are seeing I'm carrying this. Also, what you have to look is only the chimboga, only vegetables. So guys, here we are trying to search for green maize so that I'm gonna go and have it because of the harvest. And this is how they do it, like you heap them in one side so that you will harvest. You come to remove the skin like this one here. This is green. I'll go and roast it. So they heap together like this one, and then later they will come and harvest it, and then they will come and dig.
And it's sensible. Oh. So ongea nani? Jina wewe ongea.
Niongee?
So you can see how that lady is working.
Mo keto camera.
Is it a camera or a video camera?
Video camera.
Yeah, that is a video camera. So you see how it is. She's working very hard.
This is how we harvest here,
Yes.
and we heap them there. So that
After that, we are going to do
there.
what we call
How do we call this one here?
that one.
Yeah, where we put them here.
This one is called
Is it a
putting
house?
those minis together.
How come this looks like a house?
Like a Masai house, not Masai house. Like a Samburu.
A Samburu house, but
yeah.
it doesn't have a door.
That is a problem.
It doesn't have a door. Like,
Yes. Why are we putting them together?
That's what I wanted to ask. Why do you put them to heat them together like this?
One, to make work easier. So, yeah.
Harvesting like this.
Yes, that is a very easy work.
Oh.
Yes.
But
The
with
second-
that, we usually harvest the land of this.
The second one, that one you can do even there is a sunny. Yes. Rays of the sun. But this one, if you don't do like this one, put them together, you cannot work during daytime. Yeah.
Because it's sunny like.
Yes. Yeah. So you might have a disease, a skin disease. Yeah. A skin disease. So when you put them together, you will not have a skin disease.
Wow, so we need to put some gloves.
If you do, we don't have here is we don't have those things. No, we don't have those things.
We do them naturally.
Yes, naturally. Because we have no time to put on those clothes. Those gloves. So we don't know we don't know how we cannot know how to use with them. Even to carry a panga like that, you cannot if you have them. But if you don't have them, you can catch that panga very nice.
So are the women allowed to catch?
Yes, they are allowed. Yeah, you know, there's a women, but they are men. They are men like you here. You see how you are working, like a man.
I don't want to feel hungry. That's why I want to work.
Yes, and that one.
You know, when you are begging, people will think that beggar always comes.
Help me every day. Help me every time. So we don't want to beg all the time. Yeah. So
we are outside there. This is the village.
Yeah.
And my boss here, she was explaining all this. He's here. Send the camera.
Okay. Let me stand here now.
Yeah.
So after
say what here.
Yes, that is how we that is a
How come it is
handwork.
very long?
That is a handwork. So
When I
if
want
you
to make my chamber today,
no, here you can cut it here to here. Cut a quote according to your size. You see, you and I'm taller than you.
that's why it is tall.
Yes, that's why this one is tall. So it's
And this one I have to do like this.
yeah. So
There I'm doing.
yeah, you are digging.
The
You are
chamber
digging.
is there and
That's
the
how.
master
That is why, if you don't have cow for plowing,
Mhm.
so you can use this one here, like
Oh,
this.
that's one is
This one.
this is lovely.
This one easy. See? Eh? After there,
Eh.
you wait for a time for planting.
Do you
Then the time when the time it will reach, so
the time of
you make a hole like this. Not like this, going forward.
you
No,
make it coming
yo,
back.
yes, coming backward like this, this,
Wow.
this one.
That's how
Up
we
to
do
the
it.
end.
Let me try because
After that,
even if we are not planting,
yeah,
so do I need to measure the hole to another one?
yes, there is a measurement. There is a measurement, and that measurement it can be a stick like this, something like this. Let me start with. Then after that,
You have to put it
you have
in.
to put it, and you must have a ruler.
A ruler to,
Yes,
to measure.
to measure
Yeah.
the centimeters, the distance. So after that, you put it like this way. If you want this side,
Like this way here.
yeah,
From here up to here.
up to there.
Like this one here.
Yes. So after that one,
So here, where am I supposed to? It is here.
there, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
I know. Oh yeah.
yeah,
Here.
yes.
Going backward, not in front.
No, backward.
Here, like this.
Yeah. Why are we making holes? Going backward, not forward.
Why?
Because this one to give you easy time for
closing.
yes, for closing the seed
Wow.
after putting the seed.
I never knew
in the
like
pot.
that. As we do it in any way.
Yeah.
So you do it like this.
Yes,
I start from over here, and then I close like this.
yes.
Why are you wearing boots but not heels? You do like
That's why you will require gumboot.
oh, when you are doing the farming.
Yes, you will require gumboot
Oh.
because you don't know the stick.
Some sticks are here,
Yes,
maybe
even
I
this
too
one.
hard.
This one, it's
Yeah.
very dangerous. Yeah,
Okay.
that's why you should have, or you might have a gumboot.
Gumboot.
Like put on a gumboot. Yeah.
You know, I've learned a lot from here because at our village we don't do even these things here.
No.
We just do it randomly the way we have done it down here.
Yes.
So that's how we do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But this one is very, very, very easy to add.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So you can make it. You can make it. If you will, or you have a will, you can make it.
oh, thank you so much. So what's your name like?
My name is David Odiambo.
David Otiambo, English.
Yeah.
They come from English people.
David
Even some of the words I'm just limited how to understand the other words here.
Not
Odiambo. Odiambo.
Adiambo is women.
Yeah,
And
Odiambo. Odiambo.
Yeah, it's a boy.
Is it Odiambo? I'm
Odiambo.
Odi. You have to strengthen your
Odiambo.
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 Yes.
Yeah.
Coming from Migori County.
It comes from Migori County.
Sub-county, Suna West.
Yeah.
And the village is Biamit or
Masurura.
if you like.
Masurura village.
Yeah.
That's
That's where I come from. Yeah.
So what do you think about farming? Are you how can I say it?
You can ask
Are you happy with the farming?
Yes, I'm happy because everything you need in your life, you must
Work hard.
You you must work hard. And that's working hard, to me, is farming.
Farming, and even if you have a very big job outside there, you should come back.
Yes,
to
but to me, those outside works, I do not like them.
You want to be employed by yourself?
Yes.
Everything comes to your pocket.
Yes. So because I have no time, I don't have time for somebody to push me.
To call it,
Yes, because where are you? Hey, yeah. Come on time. I don't want. So I want to employ myself.
To limit yourself on anything that you want to do.
If I'm tired, I say goodbye, I'm tired.
Goodbye, my
so
work
let
there
me go and
tomorrow.
relax, and we call it tomorrow. Yeah. So I urge you, my people and my friends, come. So we be together, we come together to make work to be easy like this.
Usiletewe mahindi kutoka nje.
Yes, usiletewe mahindi kutoka nje. Sababu mahindi ya kuletwa kutoka nje, saa zingine hujui vile ilitengenezwa, vile yalikuwa, vile yalisafirishwa, madawa yenye yamepigwa huko hujui. So ukifanya yako mwenyewe, unajishughulikia mwenyewe, unajua hii, nitaweka hii, hakuna dawa yenye utapiga, utakula vizuri. So thank you, may God bless you.
Subscribe to Grace Kerry channel, like, wow.
Wow.
Amazing. I read these people in my village so that they can answer a lot of questions that my village people don't want to work. They don't want to work.
Yes, if you don't want to work, so your life will be short in this area or in this earth, on this earth. So if you don't want to work hard, please, I'll urge you that like to work, like working. So if you like working, you will be very, even God, only God. God says that
if you don't
work, you will not eat.
You will die.
You will die. Roughly. So just work. My friend Jim, just work. Work hard. And don't let people discourage you. You know, there are some people who discourage people that this work is very hard, this work you will not do it. Yeah, you are dirty. So now, if you want to be clean all the time, it means that you don't want to work. So kwa mchafu, ulinde maisha yako na chakula. Hakuna kitu muhimu duniani kama chakula. Pesa zinaingia unaweka hapa. Ushughulike tunaenda kununua chakula nje. No, leave that one. Kuwa na chakula chako. Be serious with your work, and God will help you. Wow. Thank you.
Welcome. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you.
God bless you.
I'm
David Odhiambo from Migori County area.
Wow.
Masurura sub county. Sunaweza.
Ndio muda nakupega.